Nike Basketball is set to release the Nike Ja 3 this fall 2025, a sneaker that embodies Ja Morant's bold playing style with an aggressive, rugged design and layered storytelling elements. Leading the lineup is the striking Mink Brown colorway, featuring earthy tones, scratch-like accents, and a vertical swoosh, balanced with vibrant pink foam details on the ZoomX branding that hint at collaboration-level aesthetics. Priced at $135, the Ja 3 will debut on Nike.com on October 18, 2025, perfectly timed with the NBA season tip-off. The autumn-inspired look, combined with Morant's rising influence, has fueled massive buzz in the sneaker community, cementing this model as one of the year's most anticipated basketball drops. Beyond performance, the Ja 3 positions itself as both a court-ready weapon and a lifestyle statement for fans and collectors alike.